Welcome back, my dear class 11 student. Hope you are well and safe. Kritika is there. Now I am ringing again. Now today we are going through the chapter rectification of errors. Okay, as this is a accounting class, we are going through the chapter rectification of errors. So we have already seen there is a 4 types of error can be happen, and with this error we have taken different problems and we also solve this to make you understand. Now today we'll take another problem, and this problem is not particularly any type of error. There is different type of error in here. Different type of error can be here and you have to solve this. Now in your NCERT book, page number 233, question number 22, trial balance of Kholi did not agree and showed an excess debit of rupees 16,300. There is trial balance, there is excess debit is 16,300. So trial balance is not match. So what for trial balance is not match? There they given. He put the differences to a suspense account and discovered the following errors. So after finding that there is a error, there is a suspense account in trial balance, they found the error, and the what error they actually found is given in here. We have to rectify this error and make a suspense account also, so that you can also find the balance of suspense account is 16,300. Now cash received from Rajat, rupees 5,000 was posted to the debit of Kamal as rupees 6,000. Now you grown up enough, so every time you do not need to make any what is right entry and what is wrong entry, that is do not at this position, because you have already done some of the practical problems, and what is the solving procedure you have also learned. That is, first you should choose what is the right entry and then what wrong entry they posted, and from that analysis you can find out what is the rectified entry. But here I am not doing the what is right entry, what is wrong entry. We are directly posted in the journal. Now that is the date, particulars, this is the journal. Now debit, and this side is credit. Now this is rupees and this is also rupees. Now first there is a serial number A. Now read the problem, what error they actually made. Cash received from Rajat. What is the right entry? Cash received from Rajat rupees 5,000. Cash account debit to Rajat was posted to the debit of Kamal. Actually posted in Kamal account instead of Rajat. Rajat should be credited, but actually they posted in Kamal is debited as rupees 6,000. Okay. Now whatever you have to make, Kamal will not be debited, then to Kamal should be credit side, Kamal account. As it is debited, you have to credit it because there is no Kamal account is there. They have wrongly posted instead of Rajat Kamal, but still they posted in credit side, not in debit side. Okay. Now actually they posted in debit side, so we have to credit it by the amount is also wrong, that is 6,000. So 6,000, because it was debited wrongly, Now what other things they wrongly done? Cash received from Rajat rupees 5,000. They didn't credit the Rajat. Then again you have to credit the Rajat in right entry. Rajat account. Okay, Rajat account should be credited, so that is also 5,000. Now debit side cash received is the rightly posted. So what would be the debit account will be? Now I have said in your earlier class, whenever you are not finding what is the debit account, you always posted that's as a suspense account. Now suspense account will be debited, that is 11,000. Now you make to narration also. What would be the narration? Being, what would be the narration? Being cash received from Rajat, being cash received from Rajat wrongly credited the Kamal account now rectified. Now rectified. Okay, now we enough grown up to understand this entry, how this actually happened. Okay, you just learn how to, because it is not very time consuming. Whenever you do the what is right entry, what is wrong entry, then after you rectify the entry, because there is no mask given for you what is the right entry, what is wrong entry. If sometimes you mess up or you do not understand, then you have to do these things, but you have to choose rightly posted in the rectification entry, rectification journal you have to make. How will make that I am teaching you. So here you will see cash received from Rajat. So what you just in your mind you just first thought what is the right entry, cash account debit to Rajat, but actually they done Kamal is credited instead of Rajat. Rajat should be they actually debited Kamal account, but this is also wrong. That so as Kamal is debited, there is no Kamal account is there, so you have to credited this for nullified the thing. Then you have to do the Rajat account, because Rajat account actually credited. So what is the amount? 5,000. But debit side cash is already rightly posted, so there is no wrongness in cash account, cash received, because in wrong entry and right entry it is debited. Okay, so you have instead whenever you are not finding any account, you just write the suspense account to make this journal complete. Okay, so there is a suspense account debit to Kamal account to Rajat account, and what is will be the narration? Being cash received from Rajat wrongly credited to Kamal account now rectified. Okay, so we have to enough the grown up for that, because now some of the practical problem you have already made, so we will not show again what is right, what is wrong. You have to, from your question you have to understand what will be the right and rectification entry for your journal. Now here suspense account debit to Kamal to Rajat, amount is 6,000 and 5,000. Now what happened? If you make a suspense account, suspense ledger, okay, now in T form I am writing the ledger actually, but in your examination you should maintain the format what is the ledger format. Here you have to write in suspense account what will be the ledger posting, because suspense is debit, so Kamal and Rajat will be posting in debit side to Kamal and to Rajat. Kamal is 6,000 and Rajat is 5,000. Okay, now come to the next entry. Debargo is there. Good afternoon, Debargo. Why are you coming late? So we are taking the problem from your NCERT book, page number 233, question number 22. From here, I am solving this. Question is exercise number 22 of trial balance and rectification error chapter. Okay, now number B. Salaries paid to an employee rupees 2000 were debited to his personal account as rupees 1200. Now salaries, whenever you paid the salaries, what is the right entity? Salaries account debit to cash, but instead of that they debited the personal account of the employee, and the amount is also wrong because actually salary paid is rupees 2000, but actually personal account debited 1200. So we have to make right entry. What will be the right entry, rectification entry actually? Now salary account debit, that is okay, that is there is no mistake actually, but there would be salaries paid to an employee rupees 2000 were debited to his personal account. Now salaries account debit to cash, so cash is, both the cases cash is paid, so cash is already right, but you have to make the salaries and take into account the salaries and other mistake. So first we will write what is the right thing, that is salaries will be debited, they didn't debit it, salaries should be debited. So salaries account debit they debited to his personal account as rupees 1200. Personal account will not be debited, that should be carried to personal account, because there is no case in payment of salary, personal account will not be debited, they wrongly debited. Now I am crediting it as the amount is 1200, so there is a 1200. Now so salaries account debit 2000. So there is another credit account you have to make. If there is no amount is not matching with debit with credit, so what will take? We will take the suspense account. To suspense account. To suspense account, that is 800. Now it will match. So salaries will be debited and personal account debited by 1200, not by 2000. So we credited personal account by the amount which were debited wrongly, that is 1200. And now another credit is not in here, now no other account we are finding here, so we use the suspense account to credit the amount 800. Now in suspense account you have to post it, you have to post salaries amount, that is 800. Now by salaries in ledger, that is 800. Okay, as suspense account is 800, so salaries also be 800, you have posted in the ledger, in suspense account ledger. Okay, now what will be the narration? Narration will be being salaries paid to an employee wrongly debited to his personal account, now rectified. So narration is compulsory, each and every entry, I am ignoring it in here. So you have to make your narration in whenever in your examination, otherwise you will not get the marks. Now come to the third entry. Now come to the third entry, goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use. Goods withdrawn by proprietor for personal use rupees 1000. Okay. Now whenever good withdrawn by the proprietor, when any cash withdrawn by the proprietor from his business, that will be treated as drawing. So here drawing account debit to purchase, because where from they actually withdrawn the goods? From purchase they made by the business. Okay, So what would be the right entry? Drawing account debit to purchase. But what actually they have done? They have done were credited to sales account. Instead of purchase, they credited the sales account. So sales account they actually credited, but amount is also not matching with the goods withdrawn by the proprietor. So sales account credited by rupees 600. Sales will not be credited, sales should be debited. So first rectify the sales account would be debited. As it is credited, you have to debit it. Sales account debited 1600. Now what would be the credit? What will be credited? Now you should credit the purchase account, but they didn't make the purchase account credited. Instead of purchase, they actually credited the sales account, but in rectification entry we have just debit the sales because to nullify the effect of sales. Now in you have to make purchase should be credited, so I am purchase is crediting in rectification entry. So purchase account to purchase account, what is the amount? Actual amount is 1000. They have mistaken accounts and amount also. They have mistaken the account and amount also. Okay, so they are mistaken the amount and account also. That's why we have done as sales is not credited. So in rectification entry, if you nullified the thing through journal, you have to make the sales account should be debited. Okay. Now purchase is rightly credited, actually not credited, but in rectification entry, what is the right entry that will write? That is drawing both the case, in wrong entry, in right entry, they should be in wrong entry and in right entry. The purchase should be credited, but in wrong entry they actually done sales account credited. That's why we debited the sales account, but we just credited the purchase account in here in rectification entry because it is actually to be credited, but amount is 1000. This is the right amount. Then so journal entries rule is not following in here. So another account which should be credited, if the amount debit amount is not matching with the same amount will be credited. You know, as per accounting principle, whatever debit amount that should be credited with purchase account. So sales account debit to purchase account, but purchase amount is 1000. This is the right amount. They have make sales account credited, amount is also wrongly they posted, so that when we debit the things, we debit the wrong amount also. Okay, because otherwise it will not be nullified. Okay, so to the other accounts you have to use, that is suspense account. If no other account you are finding, and that is 600. Now you can see that is match, the debit amount equal to the credit amount. Now what will be the posting of ledger? Now posting of ledger is buy sales, that is 600 rupees. That is actually the mistake. Okay, buy sales, that is 600 rupees. Though this is sales amount is 1600, but suspense account amount is 600. Same amount we have to use in the suspense account ledger. You cannot use the say as suspense credited in credit side of suspense account. You cannot write buy sales 1600 because suspense account is 600. Okay. Now here also you make your narration, that is goods withdrawn by the proprietor for personal use was wrongly credited to sales account, now rectified. Okay, so I am ignoring the narration in here. Now come to the next entry. Next entry is that depreciation provided on machinery rupees 3000 was posted to machinery account as rupees 300. Now depreciation, whenever depreciation you provided, depreciation chapter yet not started by us, but next chapter we start, that is depreciation. So depreciation means the decreasing value of machinery. Each and every year machinery is a fixed asset, so all the fixed asset you have to make depreciation each and every year, because value of any fixed asset is decreasing day by day. So at the end of the year you have to make depreciation. So that's depreciation means decreasing value of machinery in case of here. So depreciation, in case of depreciation, the right journal is depreciation. I am just, it is not rectification entry. Depreciation account debit to machinery, that is the right entry. Okay, that is the right entry. Depreciation account debit to machinery. So what is depreciation? Depreciation account debit to machinery, actually the amount is 3000. Okay, the amount is 3000. But what they done, this is the right entry. What wrong entry they done? They done was posted to machinery account as rupees 300. They actually charge depreciation account debit 3000, but whenever they writing the machinery, in case of machinery they actually write 300 instead of 3000. 10 their actually accountant when posted in the journal actually mistake, there is a 3000 but there is a 300, so there is a 2700 rupees mistake is happened, that you have to take into account. So depreciation is right, both the entry, wrong entry depreciation is debited, in right entry but depreciation is debited, is a right amount. Okay, now to machinery in right entry that should be 3000. Here they actually wrong entry to machinery, they credited the machinery but wrongly the amount is wrong. Instead of 3000 they written it as a 300, so there is a 2700 actually error is happened. So what will be the rectification on entry for that? What is the rectification entry? Now see, now to machinery should be credited to machinery, and that's the amount is 2700. Now what would be debited, as their depreciation is rightly posted in the journal, so you have to use the suspense account. As there is no debit account is there, you have to use the suspense account debit 2700. Now in suspense account you have to, in debit side you have to write in suspense ledger to machinery 2700. Okay, to machinery 2700. Now here also you have to write the narration, that is depreciation provided on machinery is credited to machinery account of rupees 300. Now rectified, wrongly credited the machinery account as the amount of rupees 300. Now rectified. Now come to the next error of this problem, that is, come to the next error of this problem, that is sale of old car for rupees 10,000. Now sale of old car is actually our fixed asset. Okay, sale of old car is our fixed asset. What will be the right entry for sale of old car? Now in case of sale of old car you cannot use the sale, because whenever you sell the goods then only you can use the sale account, but whenever you actually selling some fixed asset you cannot use, because this is not your business. Your business is selling of goods. not the motor card. But motor card, if you purchase 4-5 years before, now you want to sell, so that you are selling the motor card. In case of purchase also, whenever you purchase any fixed asset, you cannot use, suppose purchase of machinery, you cannot use purchase account, you have to use the machinery account debit to cash or bank. Here also in case of sale, you have to use what is the right entry. Now bank or cash account would be debit, cash account will be debit to motor car, because motor car is a real account, is a asset, goes out, that is credited. What is the amount actually? The amount is 10,000. Okay, the right amount is 10,000. The amount is 10,000. I am just, this is the right entry, this is not a rectification entry. What is wrong entry? Wrong entry is that what actually they made was credited to sales account as rupees 6,000. They actually credited the sales account. Instead of motor card, they actually credited the sales account. Cash account debit to sales account. And the amount is also not rightly, they actually credited, that is 6,000. They actually credited the 6,000, but cash account is debited by 10,000. Okay, so this is a wrong entry. So cash account, here is no problem in cash account. Okay, so we are ignoring the cash account. Now what if sales account they credited, but sales will not be credited? In the right entry you can see the motor car will be credited. So sales account should be change his sheet, and it should be in debit side in rectification entry. Now just what will be the right depreciation, actually right rectification entry we are posting in journal, that is sales account debit sales account debit 6,000 to motor car account. Instead of sale, actually sale, what will be credited? Motor car account will be credited, that is 10,000. But here you can see the debit is not matching with the credit amount, so you have to use suspense account. Now suspense account will be debited rupees 4,000. Okay, now sales we debited actually nullified the thing, because sales they wrongly credited, so we debited in rectification entry, that is 6,000, but total not 10,000 they credited. If they credited the 10,000, we will debit the 10,000 to motor car account 10,000, the journal is finished. But here you can see that they actually credited the what is amount, that is 6,000, and to motor car account actually 10,000. Then what will be the other thing? Other thing is will be debited, that is 4,000. That is, if we not find any account, we use the suspense account. Now suspense account as debit, then in motor car 4,000 debit. So in motor car, to motor car to motor car, that is 4,000 should be debited, debit side we have to write. Now you just total it. What will be total? 10, 15, 17,700. Here is total is 17,700. Now buy balance CD. Buy balance CD. What is the amount? The amount is 16,300. That's the question is already given. So this is the balance, this is the suspense account difference, excess debit. You can see from here, because why it is, you see, you can say this is in credit side balance, not. You just transfer to balance BD, so next year that will be the debit balance actually. Okay, or next month that will be the debit balance 16,300, because in ledger what will be the credit balance, which side is less, the balance will be the opposite side. In suspense account 16,300 is less, so balance will be the in the debit side. Okay. Now Debargo, is there any problem? You can say. Have you understood the thing? Okay, thank you. So this is the end of the class. Just continue the class. Thank you for watching.